Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best fixed blade hunting knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Fixed Blade Hunting Knives. Chances are you will have a folding knife in mind. But when you need a knife that will not fail on you, a fixed blade knife is the best option. Unlike folding knives, fixed blades don't have any moving parts to break or opening mechanisms to fumble around with when you're in a rush. Their inherent durability makes them well suited for hard-use critical tasks. Number 5. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Knife. 420HC steel blade has excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance for lasting durability. The clip blade is good for piercing, detail work. Main features: razor-sharp clip point blade. Made in the USA. Comfortable grip. Number 4. Schrade SCHF57 6.3 inches steel fixed blade knife. Have confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the thumb rest. Knife features a full tang design and lanyard hole. Blade is made of reliable. Main features: quick and easy access. Blade length of 2.6 inches. Full tang design. Number 3. Mora Knife Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. The Companion MG will perform well during high-impact usage such as creating tinder or cutting wood. The blade should be dried after use to avoid blade corrosion. Main features: high carbon steel blade. Lifetime warranty. Blade length 4.1 inches. Number 2. Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Hunting Knife Set. Nylon dual carry black sheath for Mossy Oak Breakup County Game Processing Knife Set, provides easy and secure carry, keeps everything at your fingertips when needed. Main features: full tang camo handle. Black heavy-duty sheath. Multiple use for outdoor. Number 1. Mossy Oak Survival Knife 15-inch Fixed Blade. Made of 440C stainless steel for excellent hardness, improved edge retention and rust resistance. Clip point blade features sawback, black anodize. Main features: razor-sharp clip point blade. Comfortable rubber handle. Accessories sharpener. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.